Who you know got hit like this? Who you know? I wait. Tell me. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mihlali, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a brow lamination at home. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, before I even start, I just want to say I am so excited for like this whole procedure I'm about to do on my eyebrows, because if you guys can see, I've got like bushy ass brows. Like, okay, well, they're not bushy as in like thick voluptuous brows. I mean, they curly and they like all over the place, so I have to constantly keep brushing them, and that is tiring. So I'm so excited, but at the same time I'm scared because I've never done this before, and you know, I don't want to get anything wrong and like mess up my brows. So anyways, yeah, and I know that I'm saying this because my mom tells me every time, Mihlali, stop cutting your brows, Mihlali, stop, you know, trimming your brows, you're not gonna have brows, Mihlali, and all that. So I'm a bit shaky. But that's not gonna stop us from doing this, because I'm about to try this out and you guys are gonna see how it turns out. And if you guys don't know what what's it called? Lamination. There you go. Lash laminating is, it's like perming your brows. It's literally like perming, but of course not as intense as the actual perm lotion would be on your hair, or like relaxers would be on your hair, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, anyways, let me stop fumbling and jumbling and let me get into this. I'm gonna be doing this myself. I'm no professional, though you could go to a professional if you are scared than I am, because I am a bit scared. But we move. So yeah, anywho, this is what I'll be using. Lash lift. This is called lash lift, but like you could still use the products for lash lifting to laminate your eyebrows. It's the same thing. So I will be using this. I got this from Lash and Brow Kit SA. It's Lash. I'll link it underneath. You guys can just check the description and you'll find it down below. But I got this from one of these Instagram pages, shops, something. And inside, let me just open this, you get these. I think this is to apply. So the kit also includes a lash glue, a perm lotion, a fixation lotion, nutrition oils, a cleanser, lift pads, and a clean tool. I'm not really gonna use this because I'm doing brow lamination, though you can use this to actually curl your eyebrows. Is it lash lift? Lift your eyelashes. That's what it is. Not curl your lashes. Lift your lashes. So yeah, if you guys want to see me do that, you can tune into the next video, because I don't want it to be too long. I don't want this video to be too long, and I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I don't know how it's gonna go. I don't know how long it's gonna take. But the first thing I'm gonna do is like clean my eyebrows. Cleanse my eyebrows. Is that what's it called? Like cleaning my eyebrows for any product. I don't have anything on my eyebrows. Let me actually look this way. I don't have anything on my eyebrows, but like, you know, moisturizer, oils, or whatever that could be clogging up, I'm just gonna clean that out. So step number one, or is this even a step? I don't know. But first thing I'm gonna do is apply this false lash glue, so that I guess this process is getting the brows, I'm so sorry, I keep saying lashes, is getting the brows to the direction you want them to you know, lay. So if you want them to be this way, then you like brush them this way, but if you want them to go up, then you brush them the direction you want to brush them, and that is what I'm about to do. Did I have this the entire time? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to do both sides, but you guys could see the before and after. This is the before, by the way. I didn't even take a picture. Oh my gosh, I'm so weird. But I guess it's whatever. But yeah, this is how it looks before. And I'll show you how it looks after. But the glue dries so fast. So work in sections and make sure you get like one section straight and then move on to the next section, or else you're going to be stuck with like tacky glue and glue that's drying without like having your lashes laid the way you want them. Okay, so let's move over to the second side. Do I like it? Do I like it, boo? Okay. Secondly, I'm going to go in with my perm lotion. And then I'm going to apply this to both my lashes. I'm going to apply this to my lashes using this baby. Ooh, this literally smells like perm. If you guys know what perm smells like, this smells like it. Okay, so you know what I just thought of? You know, when you're getting your relaxer done, because I know this is not like relaxer, it's obviously perm, but like, you know, it's the same concept. It's like chemical, of course. And you know, when you're getting your relaxer done, before they apply like the relaxer on your hair or on your scalp, they like line your front line and your back line, like here on your ears, with Vaseline. I'm thinking, shouldn't I like put Vaseline around my eyebrows? Okay, no, I'm being stupid. Anyways, let me carry on. So I got my cleanse wrap. Let me put that on. And then it says just put this on. Oh, I hope I put this on. And let it sit for 10 minutes. So I have to wait for 10 minutes and I'll be back and I'll show you step number 2. Well, it's called step number 2, but technically it's like step number 4 because I've cleansed my eyelashes, brows. I've cleansed my brows, I've put glue on them, and then now I'm perming them. But let's just say step number 2. So yeah, just give me a minute. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and I'm going to now remove this and use this white comb thing, and then I'm just going to use the brush side, this side, and like brush off the product, remove the product off my brows. Oh my word, this already looks cute. I'm gonna go in with step 2, and this is the fixation step. I don't know what that's supposed to be. And I'm gonna use this little baby, and I'm gonna I don't know why I keep watching this plastic, goddamn. No. I look weird. Okay, I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, I apologize for the background noise. They are collecting the bin at my complex. So like, yeah, but it's been 10 minutes now, so I'm about to remove this off. And then I'm going to use this little thing again and remove the remaining product. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so step 3 would be putting the nourish, I think it's like oils to like strengthen and nourish your eyebrows, but I don't see why I'd put that on and then cleanse my eyebrows after. So I'm gonna cleanse my eyebrows first. I'm sorry if this is not how it goes, but I don't know. I feel like I'd rather cleanse my eyebrows first. So I'll just use, okay, forgot about this. I'll just use a cotton bud and cleanse around my eyebrow. And after cleansing them, I'm going to just brush them properly. I don't know, should I cut my eyebrows? Should I? Just leave it a tad long. Okay, just give me a second. Just try. Okay, and then for step 4, step 3, well, it's step 4. and I am done. Guys, this is literally relaxing your eyebrows. I say this again. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you find it useful and helpful. And if you guys want to see me lift my lashes, you could check that out on my Instagram stories. I'll be uploading a video soon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for making it till this point of this video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and see you next time. Bye.